Today we will see what is latent heat or hidden heat, latent heat of fusion and latent heat of vaporization and triple point. First we see what is latent heat or hidden heat. When state of body changes, change of state takes place at constant temperature, that is at melting point or boiling point, and heat released or absorbed, which is given by Q is equal to mL, where L is the latent heat. From this definition, it is clear that when a body changes one state to another state, in between the temperature is constant, but heat is continuous supplied. Then the question will be arise, this amount of heat where gone? This heat is known as latent heat. Heat is absorbed if solid converts into liquid or liquid convert into vapor, and heat is released if liquid converts into solid or vapor converts into liquid. Now second one is latent heat of fusion. The quantity of heat required to change 1 kg mass from solid to liquid state at its melting point is called latent heat of fusion. For ice, latent heat of fusion equal to 80 kilocalorie per kg. Third one is latent heat of vaporization. The quantity of heat required to change 1 kg mass from liquid to vapor state at its boiling point are called latent heat of vaporization. For water, latent heat of vaporization equal to 536 kilocalorie per kg. Last one is triple point. It is the state at which three phases of a substance, namely ice, liquid, and vapor, are equally stable and coexist in equilibrium is called triple point. It occurs at a specific temperature and pressure. Triple point of water at temperature TW equal to 223.16 Kelvin and pressure PW equal to 0.46 centimeter of mercury. In this way, we will finish the heat, and in the next class we will see the new chapter. It's all right.